Government of Goa and Forest Department have made some plans for promoting forest in urban areas so that there is a change in the entire environment and climate in this urban area. So they have identified, they have told all the municipal councils to identify land where they can do these plantations. There are different type of plantations, and for that they have kept some areas. So we have seen these now, some sort of area. They require minimum 1 hectare, minimum 1 hectare, 10,000 square meter required. So they are seeing 3-4 areas in Margao. So we are showing them to the area.
खंयचे खंयचे एरिया तुमी
आता पहिले हांगा दाखयले
हय.
डायरेक्ट 10,000 दाखयतात हांगा. आता तांकां एक हांवें सजेस्ट केल्या PWDची सॉलिड ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट आहा पळय, सिवरेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट, थंय जागो आसा. तिसरे सजेस्ट केल्या मठा कडेन वयर आमचो मास्टर बॅलन्सींग बरोबर आहा, थंय जागो आसा. सो पळोवया मागीर तांकां खंयची आवडटा खंयची बरी पडटा ते मागीर डिसायड करता.